In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Clickbank landing page. Landing pages are pivotal for affiliate marketing success, and mastering this process will help you effectively capture leads and direct them to products. Now let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to decide where to build your landing page, and for this tutorial, we're using a platform called System.io, which is highly recommended for Clickbank beginners. It comes equipped with tools for email capture and a page builder, making it a convenient choice. Head over to systeme.io and either log in if you already have an account or sign up if you're new to the platform. Creating an account is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Once you're logged in, locate the top menu and click on Sites. A drop-down menu will appear where you'll want to select Sales Funnels. This is where all the magic happens. After you're there, look for a Create button. Clicking this is your first step in shaping your new landing page. Now it's time to give your landing page a name, something catchy yet descriptive, like Affiliate Landing Page. This makes it easy to identify among your other projects and keeps things organized. Once named, you'll want to click on Build an Audience. This ensures that your landing page is set up to attract and capture user attention effectively. You'll need to choose the currency setting next. This is important if your landing page involves transactions or monetary conversions. Select the currency that aligns with your target audience or market, then hit Save to ensure all your settings are stored correctly. You'll see your new page listed under Affiliate Landing Page. Click on it to commence editing. When you select your page, you'll be prompted to click on Edit Page. This opens up an editor interface where you'll have the flexibility to design your page's look and feel. Here, you can start by editing the text on your landing page. A compelling headline is vital. It should grab attention immediately. Consider something benefit-focused, like Discover how to burn fat while you sleep, scientifically proven method. Following the headline, a short intro or personal story can help establish a connection. For example, after years of struggling with my weight, I found a formula that finally worked. Don't forget to add your affiliate link button. A call to action like watch the free video now or click here to learn more is effective in guiding visitors to take the next step, which ultimately benefits both you and the product you're promoting. And there you have it. With these steps, you've created a Clickbank landing page that not only engages but effectively drives traffic and converts leads into customers. Remember, practice makes perfect, so continue experimenting and refining your page to achieve optimal results. Thank you for watching, and happy marketing.